You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 72,787,473. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 5 plus 2 plus 0 equals 7. 4 plus 1 plus 9 equals 14. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 equals 17. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 3 plus 3 equals 8. 2 plus 5 plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And so the final result is 72,787,473.